You guys don't know how hard it is sometimes to film because you have to be ready to go. And now we are going to be doing a 10 minutes getting ready makeup video. So just under 10 minutes, I'm gonna have to do whatever I can. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna time it. So we're going to do it and I'm gonna time it and I'll show you guys the timer. And the timer starts now, 10 minutes. We're at 9 minutes now. So now it's running and I'm gonna just have to do what I can. So let's go and I'm gonna do it. So this is what I usually do when I'm really in a rush. So the first thing I would do is use my CoverGirl 525 Buff Beige. I put a little bit too much. And then I use a little sponge. And usually what I would do is I would just cover like my under eye. Like the dark circles. Cover it a bit more. So usually this is like my go-to fast makeup. You know, just, oh my god, I literally just put it everywhere. Guys, I put way too much. This is hilarious. It's okay, I'll blend it after. You know what? I'm gonna use this. Or do I have my hands right here? How many minutes are we now? We have 7 minutes. So this is what I usually use. I mean, this is what I usually do when I'm getting ready. I'm just a very simple makeup kind of woman. You know, I don't depend heavily on makeup. I mean, some girls, I'm not hating, but some girls really go out, full out with like heavy makeup. I mean, for me, what I learned from my mom is you don't need too much makeup because you don't want to cover your beauty. So, you know. And if you're going through your womanhood and you know you get your little pimples, I'm not really a pimple girl, but only when. Guys, we're now at 6 minutes and I'm trying to cover it up a little bit more. This is enough. I'm putting way too much now. So it's just because I look tired. And you can put some on your neck. Usually when I do my makeup, I just put a little bit here for foundation. I don't go all the way like that. I think I just got excited, so that's what I did. And, you know, just cover it up. You don't belong here. How many minutes are we on now? 5 minutes. Okay, so the next thing I would do is foundation. No, that was my foundation, my powder. Pressed powder. So I'm using CoverGirl too. First under the eye, and then, you know, spread it out. Let's replay it. I'm the type, I need music to get ready because it's so boring when you don't listen to music. How many minutes are we on now? We have 4 minutes, guys. So now we have 3 minutes. So usually I just put lipstick on. I'm using, I forgot the brand, but it's like rose kind of color. I've overused this so much. I love the color. I like it because it's matte. How many minutes are we on now? 2 minutes. I need to buy a new one. So this is usually my go-to, and if I just want to pop my eyes, you know, sometimes I don't have time for eyeliner. Sometimes I don't have time for eyeliner, so I just do mascara. Guys, we have 1 minute. So to end it, I just did my mascara, and this is my 10-minute video. And then I just put a little bit. How many minutes are we now? We have 36 seconds. Oh my gosh, guys. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's my getting ready. My 10-minute getting ready makeup video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And now we are at 6 seconds. It's gonna ring. As you can see, we made it before our 10 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like, comment down below, and yeah, let me know if you have any requests for my new videos. And hope you guys enjoyed it, and have a beautiful week. Much love.